Outline genuinely draws a real line outside the border, not affecting an element's real layout size at all, unlike border. In this video you'll compare both real properties. This real border genuinely takes up actual layout space, it's part of the real box model. Outline genuinely does not affect real layout at all, it draws outside everything, and outline offset genuinely adds a real gap. This real, common accessibility pattern genuinely uses outline to show a real, visible focus indicator without shifting any actual layout. Outline genuinely draws outside the border, real zero layout impact. Border genuinely is part of the box model, affecting real layout size. Outline is genuinely the real standard choice for focus indicators. Add a real outline focus style to a button using Focus. Ready to style real text alignment, decoration, and spacing.